Hello, I am Sanika from Select for Education Academy. In today's video, we are going to discuss everything about IELTS exam. Also, we will discuss about eligibility criteria and grading system. Now, without wasting time, let's get started. First of all, let's talk about what is IELTS. IELTS actually stands for International English Language Testing System. This test basically evaluates how good you are in listening, reading, writing and in speaking English. IELTS is accepted by more than 11,000 employers across the globe. So, if you wish to study abroad or work abroad, you must clear IELTS exam. There are two types of tests in IELTS exam. First, IELTS Academics. Second, IELTS General. IELTS Academics you must take if you wish to study abroad, whereas IELTS General is for you if you want to work abroad for migration purpose. Now let's talk about the test format for IELTS exam. IELTS basically divides into four parts: listening, reading, writing and speaking. Now let's talk about first part, listening. It has a total of 40 questions and the duration is 40 minutes. Second part is reading. It has a total of 14 questions and the duration is 16 minutes. Third part is writing, which consists of 2 questions and the total duration is 16 minutes. Last part is speaking, which has 3 sections and it might last around for 10 to 15 minutes. Now coming back to listening. Listening is the same for academics and for general. In listening test, basically 4 native speakers talk to you and you have to listen to them and then write your answers on a sheet of paper. This test evaluates whether you understand specific information and only through listening, whether you understand how the native speakers talk in their language. The second test is reading test, which evaluates how well you can read and understand the information. The text could be descriptive and analytical. The reading test is different for someone who is giving IELTS Academic and IELTS General. The third part is writing, that evaluates your writing skills, vocabulary and grammar and how well structured things are when you are about to write. Task 1 will be the different for academics writing and for general writing, and task 2 for academics and for general will be the same. The fourth part is speaking. Speaking test is the same whether you are giving IELTS Academics or IELTS General. This test is done to understand how you can analyze issue and how you can organize your ideas while talking. So that's it about the IELTS exam format. Now let's talk about eligibility criteria and grading criteria for IELTS exam. Anybody who wishes to study abroad or want to go abroad can give IELTS. You will give a score between 0 to 9. This score is basically known as a band score. If you want more information about IELTS, TOEFL, SAT, GRE, GMAT and for counseling process, contact us today and book your one-to-one counseling session with us. Thank you.